Okay, this is the Dynamics Vibrations Lab for second year module U04528. The kit we have here is a lovely new modern digital oscilloscope which does the job of the really old-fashioned phase meter, which measures the phase lag between the two signals, and also takes a measure of the amplitude from the two sensors, one which is labelled mass there, so that's an LVDT, and then there's another potentiometer there on the centre of the mass in blue, so that one there it says SDOF. SDOF is actually on the mass, and the blue cylinder just there, I'll point at it, that is the potentiometer that's measuring the amplitude of the input signal. The LVDT here measures the amplitude of the output signal. At the front are the controls, so channel 2 is the output, so that's the output from the LVDT on the mass, and then channel 1 is the input, that's the input through the tappet rod, and you have here a really old-fashioned RPM rev meter. It's not very accurate, and you can determine that because you can actually measure the speed of the oscilloscope and see how inaccurate it is. Here we have the thyristor control box, so the red switch turns it on and the knob adjusts the speed. It's quite sensitive, and small adjustments of the knob can have large changes in speed of the rotating input. At the back here are the various switches, and we can just switch them all on. That's the phase meter, that's the actual kit itself with the power motor, this is the oscilloscope, and then this is the thyristor that controls the power into the motor. And once I've turned it on, because it's set at round about 1000 RPM, or sorry, not 1, it's set at 1 on the thyristor, and that equates to about 1500 RPM. Hopefully you can see that there, zoom in a bit, somewhere between 1000 and 2000, and then you can see the mass is bouncing up and down quite nicely there, and you get a decent output. Okay.